Hello again. Today we're going to look at this Nuffield gearstick gator. I know previously we've looked at Nuffield gearstick gators, and in that first video we've primarily concentrated on what to do if you had a stiff knob, but on this one it comes off quite readily. The gator on this one, as you can see, it's had it, and there's been quite a few comments recently about the quality of the rubber that these are made from. So what I've got here today is a car universal CV gator that people have commented could be used. This one came that big, and I've already cut 2 rings off, and that goes over there and fits quite readily on there, just wanting a clip. The only problem is, up here the shaft is not big enough for the hole. This is a problem that some of you may have come across already. Anyway, no sweats. Piece of 5/8 heater hose. All you need to do is slip that on there and run it down to there. Put the gator back on. That fits there. It just sprung up, but when you've got a clip on there, that will tighten up, nice and waterproof, and keep the rain out your gearbox. So there you go. Universal gator and a bit of 5/8 heater hose. Happy tractoring, everybody.